Hey guys, this video is about how to use motion trajectory and chooser with Fast AI. So go ahead, enable motion trajectory. So just enable that and go to chooser and enable this one as well. Then you have to restart the editor. After you come back, you'll have some new nodes. Alright, so in here in this map, I placed my BPA civilian. So it can roam around, okay, and is using the default animation with this, right? So we're going to add a couple things. First, we need new animations, right? I'm going to use the Lyra startup game animations. You can use the game animation sample example as well. The reason I'm using Lyra is because Lyra has pistol and rifle and shotgun animation as well. So if you go under content, characters, heroes, mannequin, animations, then locomotion, then you have unarmed, right? Select all this, right? Then I'm going to migrate. So I don't need aim offset. I don't need any of this thing. Who did meshes? Pretty much disable everything beside the animations and meshes. I don't think I need this as well. So I'm only getting the unarmed animations and the meshes. So let's move this to Lyra. So let's go to Lyra here, unarmed. And we don't need these two, and BP. So I switched my menu from simple to regular menu. So this is right here. And this is the skeletal. There you go. So that's my menu, right? I'm going to retarget everything. I'm going to also create a new folder unarmed edit. So I'm going to export them. I'm going to select all of these animations and export animation to the new folder that I created. Export them there. Yeah. Open this. Go to anim graph and let's look for motion matching. Motion matching under post search. And then I'm going to do post history. Okay, connect them. We have to create something. If you go to Lyra, right click, animation, motion matching, you should see this. Post search schema, and make sure you have the plugin enabled, and it's going to show up. Yeah, I think this is the one. Select that, PSS and default. If you open this, you don't have to do anything. Keep it default. Then I'm going to create a animation post search database, and I'm going to select. I have two. I have the other ones, but I'm going to select this, the one in the Lyra folder. Okay, PSD jog. Duplicate, create an idle. Duplicate, create walk. Fine. Alright, open idle, and we're just gonna pass all the animations. If I go to Lyra, unarmed, edit, auto, all of them beside the crouch one. Okay, now let's open jog. Do the same thing, filter for jog. Alright, select all the jogs and pass it here. Now walk. So I'm going to filter for unarmed walk, not the crouch one. So go. Okay, save the project. Alright, so I'm going to go here and search for chooser. So chooser table. And I'm going to choose generic chooser and then create. I'm going to rename it CT states. Open it. So we have object type here. I'm going to choose the result class to post search database. Then I'm going to create a parameter. It's going to be a class parameter. Then I'm going to select the animation blueprint, which is this, and direction is input. Okay, add new row, asset self reference. Okay, I'm going to create 3 rows. One is idle, so mine is in GameLara, and then I have walk, and I have jog, and add column float range bind to enemy interface velocity speed. I think we're going to get the speed. So let's check the speed here. If I go to Face AI component, type in speed. So I assume 230 is the walk speed and 500 is the jog. So if from 0 to 0 is 1 to 230 is walk, 231 to 500 is jog. So if you go back to animation blueprint, select motion matching, and I'm going to uncheck this, select dynamic value, scroll up on update, create binding. I already have one, but I'm creating a new one just to show how it's done. So you're going to search for evaluate chooser. The chooser is going to be this the city state that we created. For example, mine is in Lyra, GameLara. Select that, connect this, then search for set database to search. The result goes to database. And this goes here. Change the interrupt mode to interrupt on database changes. Go to your NPC character, right? And then go to add trajectory, add the character trajectory to your BP AI base, or if you only edit to your civilian, you can edit here as well. And then now we can just right click here, go to binding, character trajectory, and trajectory. Blend pose by boolean, right? Now is falling, search for is falling if it's true. So we'll have to add jump later, but if it's true, then we're going to use this. If it's false, we're going to use this. So when it jumps, it uses the default jumps. Alright, let's go to all unarmed, select all, right click, asset action bulk, edit selection in property matrix, Make sure we enable root motion for all and force root lock. Save. Go to your anim blueprint and go to anim graph, select pose history. Instead of choosing character trajectory, you're going to go to get character trajectory, and trajectory. Now compile, save, go to simulate. Now you see it's using these animations. This is running. These states, you can select which states this is on. For example, if I go to, there you go. If you go to debug and select, the right anim blueprint is going to show you it's working. Now it's in idle. Now it's working. And it's playing all the idle animations we have. And let's change the roaming speed from 230 to 500. Let's see how it. Now it should be jogging now. There you go, it's jogging now. Okay, so in the next videos we're going to add more features. Stay tuned. All right, bye.